Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, I am cleaning my kids' bathroom. This bathroom is shared by 4 of my kids, and it is a very small bathroom, so it tends to get dirty very, very quickly. So once a week, I go through and I clean it from top to bottom. I will usually go through multiple times during the week and just kind of wipe things down with a Lysol wipe. But once a week, I do go through, clean the countertops off, and give the tub and the toilet a good scrub. So that's what I'm going to be doing here in this video. So I hope that this video gives you tons of motivation to clean your own bathroom perhaps, or another area in your home. If you are new here, my name is Lauren and I make videos just like this one with lots of cleaning motivation. I do some cooking videos, some DIYs, and things of the sort. So if you like those types of things, please consider subscribing to my channel. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you do in fact enjoy it. And stay tuned for some serious cleaning motivation. So I'm going to be sealing the countertops here in my kids' bathroom. They always leave standing water on the counter, so I like to go through and seal them every once in a while just to help protect the stone, and it just helps them last longer, look shinier. So I've recently started listening to audiobooks whenever I'm cleaning. I typically am listening to some sort of music on my AirPods, but I recently started listening to books, and it's been really great. I use Audible, which I'm sure you've heard about because a lot of YouTubers have talked about Audible, but I really have just fallen in love with it. I love that I can read, as I typically don't have time to read since I do have 5 kids and I'm very busy. I have no time to sit down and read, so being able to listen to a book and still gain knowledge and insight without having to sit down and be in a quiet space to focus on actually reading, I'm able to just listen to it, which has been just life-changing. I feel like I really miss reading and learning and those types of things that I used to be able to do before I had so many kids. So this really has just helped me feel like I'm still learning and I'm still able to, just entertain myself in ways other than TV and social media and things like that. So it's really just helped me pass the time when I'm cleaning. So if you've never tried audiobooks or listening to some sort of podcast while you're cleaning, I definitely suggest doing it. It helps the time pass, and I just find myself drifting off into the book or the podcast, whatever I'm listening to, and before I know it, I'm done cleaning my space. So yeah, here's the sealer that I'm using. It's by the Wyman brand, I think is how you say it. And you just spray it on there and leave it for 5 minutes and let it penetrate the surface. If you notice that it soaks in really quickly, then you can reapply it for another 5 minutes and just let it sit. And this is the Wood for Good. This is my favorite wood cleaner. It's not a polish, it's just like a daily cleaner, and I really love it. So yeah, here I was just skipping through some parts of the book that I was listening to. It was a little disturbing. I'm currently learning a lot about mental health, and I am just so into it. I'm reading a book about just mental health through the years and how patients used to be treated in like psych wards and hospitals back in the day, and it is just absolutely astonishing. Like, you would not believe the things that they used to do to people that were deemed insane, as they used to call them back in the day. So it is very interesting, but there was just a very graphic part of the book that I just couldn't take anymore, so I had to fast forward it. But generally, I listen to really light things or podcasts, educational type stuff. I love learning about like nutrition and diet and exercise and stuff, so I'll listen to books about that. But really, it just depends whatever I'm in the mood for. So I'm trying to get through that book since I did in fact use one of my credits for it, but it is a little bit more intense than I thought it would be. But anyway, I'm just cleaning the shower here. My kids get this shower so nasty. I feel like my boys get most of their shampoo on the walls versus on their head. So yeah, it's always just a big mess of cleaning soap and mildew off of the shower. But I feel like if I do it once a week, it really helps it keep from building up and getting really disgusting. But yeah, and this drain is always draining slowly. I'm constantly pouring Drano down it. But yeah, it just drains slowly for whatever reason. And I don't know why, because like I said, my boys shower in here. So it's not like they have really long, thick hair. So it's a mystery as to what constantly gets in that shower drain. So yeah, to this day was really kind of an interesting day. My baby finally decided to take a nap. He's been kind of rebelling lately, which is why I haven't had much of a presence on YouTube. I have just been so overwhelmed, and I'm sure some of you other moms and just busy women can relate. He is just so clingy and won't nap, and if he naps, it's for maybe 30 minutes and then he's up again screaming. So I've just been at my wits' end just trying to survive. So I am sorry I haven't had a video up in about a week, but I hope that this video here is motivating for you, and hopefully he will get through this fussy phase and I will be able to upload more frequently. But I'm sure you guys understand. I am so thankful that you stopped by my channel, and I hope that I was able to motivate you or just inspire you in some way to get something done on your to-do list. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like this video. I'm so grateful for all the new people that I am meeting on YouTube and new subscribers. You guys are the best. So I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and this transformation is so satisfying, not only for me, but hopefully for you, because this bathroom was a nasty mess. So seeing it all nice and clean is just so nice. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see y'all in the next video.